And today's June 23rd, and this is where the sound deadening material is coming out of my Screaming Eagle Street Cannon muffler. As you can see, a little bit of oxidation in there, which that's, I guess, normal, but the perforation's gone away, and this is the right side of the bike, which the way the header's set up means all the pressure comes down that side. This is the left side of the bike, and again, oxidation, but if you notice, no holes. So I have over 36,000 miles on it, almost 37,000 and change, getting close to 37,000, something like that. These pipes were put on it when it had 14 miles on it at the dealership I bought it from. I'm going to change this one out for a new one, and then later on dissect this booger, do a little autopsy, and find out if that baffle's even something that can be swapped out. According to the dealership, their information they have on these, it is not a baffle that's sold separate. And if you can see, there's a little bit of twinkling going on. Yeah, that's parts of the asbestos / fiberglass, so it's not good. Not good at all, because it's blown in the air. I'll post a couple still photos of what's come out of it so far. Okay, so the baffle's removed, end cap's removed. And I can see the holes a little bit better. Don't want to mess with this stuff too much. If it's asbestos or similar material, that's not the best situation to be in. I'm not quite sure why it's coming out like it did when that looks to be more of a solid material. I bet that material's packed inside of some kind of like a sock, for lack of a better term, and the flow of exhaust shifted it around enough to rip it, and so now the stuffing's coming out. Okay, this is from the front side of the pipe. You can look. Well, not focusing too good. Focus. Focus. Anywho, way down there at the light of the tunnel, those two fuzzy things, that's that stuff that's coming out. Yeah. Be quiet, it'll sneak up on you. Okay, so this is the new pipe installed baffle. The baffle, get a good look at it. So we got that fixed. For comparison, that's the old one from the left side. Notice the seams at the top. That's kind of interesting. So they swapped that around, maybe. One thing I did notice they changed in production is you now have an external bolt. Come on, focus. An external bolt up top center, and still got the two down low. Whereas the old style, clean up top, two down low. Now, why did they do this? Well, because my old one would gap And a new one gaps too, between the end cap and the muffler. But a little bit of dark paint in there should help mask that. It's not a big deal, mostly. Would have expected better, but what are you gonna do? For comparison, old one. And you notice all the sparkly. Yeah, sparkly, sparkly. That is from the asbestos that was blowing out of the bike. Isn't that amazing? But yeah, it's asbestos. Let's do a little finger test. See it move there? See it? Yep. There we are. And that's some shit. That's terrible. Anyway. What are you gonna do? Talk to you guys later. Have fun.